Hello, good morning, Brandeis Marin. Good morning, lower school. Good morning, community. Today is April 27th. It's Monday morning and it is Action Monday. Today I'm going to tell you something that comes from my favorite book, 31 Ways to Change the World. We've done a few of the actions since we've been doing our distance learning, and I really like looking back at them. If you remember, if you were in second grade with me, we did these once a week. And the idea is that if everyone does a small action, it can make a big change. And I know you have the power within you to make that change in the world and to make it a better place. So today I'm going to actually talk about two actions, which we don't usually do, but these two actually go hand in hand. Action 3 was called Grow Something and Eat It. And back in the day, we would plant basil in second grade, and you would take your basil plants home and you would let them grow. You would take good care of them, you would water them, put them in the sunshine. And then 7 weeks later is Action 10 called, there it goes, Cook a Meal from Scratch. So, yeah, I feel like that's a really good thing to do because in this example, it's a teenage chef, and he takes the basil that he grew and he makes it into margarita pizza. He talks about how he makes the dough from scratch, and then he makes the sauce from scratch, and then he adds the basil that he grew to it. So I think cooking a meal from scratch, whether it's basil on margarita pizza or it's your favorite meal, is a great thing to do. Since we've been home, I've been making a list of projects I like to cook and don't often have time for. I've made several things like granola and meatballs, and I'm going to try this week in honor of Israel's birthday to make hummus, and I've made some different muffins and desserts, things that I don't have a lot of time for. And I feel like making a meal from scratch with your family, for your family, and enjoying it for dinner and sitting down together is an awesome way to change the world because you're taking time and you're putting in effort, and everybody gets to enjoy it. I know you're going to change the world for the better this week. I know you can do lots of different things. We'll talk about it again next Monday, but I am looking forward to seeing you tomorrow to do something else. We'll do an entirely different thing. So have a great day and cook a meal from scratch.